Hello, this is Roger again from Tiger Shark Studios. Just doing another little catch up with you guys. Obviously, things have been pretty crazy in general, and it's always cool just to have something just to take our minds off the miserable kind of diatribe of crap that flows through our social media and media in general. So I got some books. I completed a couple of Kickstarters. They actually delivered, and as you saw, I had the Ink Pulp book that came a couple of weeks back. I recently got hold of one of my favorite artists, Ian McHugh. Ian McHugh, been following him for such a long time from when he did the Gnomon DVDs, and I backed his Mileships, which are basically based off some designs that he did years ago. And obviously, I think I got some older books with sketches from Ian McHugh, but this one I think it was a collection and of some of his old drawings and then other new drawings in general. And I'm really happy to say that I've got it come through, and it's called Mileships. Just want to show you what it's like. Some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous artwork. This is some nice paintings, and again, you can see he does these ships, which basically look like fishing trawlers, but they got anti-gravity and they fly. And just love the whole look, the industrial look of them, the fact that they make you think of fishermen in the sea, but obviously, we're flying around and fishing the skies more than fishing the oceans. You can see it's awesome looking book. Awesome book. Really great pencil work. And the fact that he's got some background story as to each one just really add to it. Some absolutely gorgeous looking. I just love his tones. The fact that the compositions is really nicely laid out, and just the colors, just the fact that even though it's all muted, the fact that he's got these nice reds and blues which really pop against a grey background. Love it, just love it. There was rumors, obviously, because a lot of people who are uneducated, who follow um, social media, when he was posting some of his sketches and his processes, they automatically thought that he was using AI, and he said, "No, these are my sketches for these paintings." And I think he got into a big flame war argument with someone on Twitter over this. But you know what? Hey, people want to believe what they want to believe. I'm looking at a master works here. I mean, it's just freaking awesome. You look at this massive book. I mean, some of these paintings are very reminiscent of some of his earlier works, but the fact that, I mean, look at that. Look at that for a breakdown. I could just imagine building this in 3D with the panels and the stud works, the rivet work, the fact that the numerals are weathered. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Let's see what else we've got here. And the fact that he got characters. Salt Heist crew captured in rare egg sting. See, it's just whole story behind it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah. I remember this this is an earlier piece of work I saw with this guy, very reminiscent of the high steel guys making the skyscrapers in New York, where they would just sit on the girders and weld, and there's obviously taking that idea, but just so good. I mean, look at these. Look at the thought patterns behind this. It's great stuff. Just great stuff. I mean, this is one of the reasons why I love being an artist. because you can come up with this idea, you can flesh it out, give it weight, volume, and form, and then bring it to life. You know, this is what you're not going to get with the AI because there's no thought. There's no thought. I mean, look at these things. Look at these things. Right? This could be a cruiser. I mean, it's reminiscent of a submarine, but obviously, it's a submarine with open decks. Awesome. Great, great, great book. Some really, really, really good stuff. I mean, look at that. Some buskers there. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, this book, obviously, I'm not sure if you can get this from his website. You might not be able to. Let me just have a quick check. Just have a look. See. Uh, Ian McQue. I don't think he has a website. He's got a Instagram. Yeah. I don't think he has a website, so you might have to go through his Instagram or his Kickstarter. Uh, oh no, he does have a website. It's he's closed for Christmas, but Ian McHugh Big Cartel.com. So he does have a website where you can probably purchase this book. I would assume that it should be available to purchase. But I mean, look at this stuff. This is great. Really, really, really good book. Could be one of my favorites to reference. So much in here. So there you go. Ian McHugh, Mileships. Well worth it. If you can get your hands on it from his website, I recommend it. I got this because I backed his Kickstarter about a year and a half ago. So another Kickstarter that's delivered. Well worth it. Okay, so that's all I got for you on the Ian McHugh book on my latest Kickstarter purchase. I'll come back to you when I have another one or another book to review and share with you. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next one.